Sair, welcome to my house. It is worktop installation day and we've chosen Calacatta Gold Superior. I can't wait to see what the final result looks like. So our installation is just about finished and I am thrilled to bits with the final look of the worktop, just how glossy it is and how the light hits it. It is better than I could have imagined. I particularly love our full backsplash. It adds so much drama to the space and we've gone for a windowsill trim as well. So it's a bit of a waterfall effect on our counters and the space just looks so beautiful. I'm so happy and the team have been professional and wonderful to work with and such a laugh.